Hello students, now let us continue watching the video on geometric progression. Now, the geometric progression, its concepts, tricks and solved problems. Okay, were watching about 3 problems earlier. Now we shall watch 3 more problems which will include all the formulas which we have learned previously. Okay, so the first problem. The number 2048 is which term in the following of geometric ratio 2, 8, 32 and 128. Here we have got a series. Okay, we know the common ratio and also we know where uh, the series starts. Okay, now we are supposed to find what is this is an infinite series. Okay, we don't know where does the series ends. So what we will be doing here, we are supposed to find the 2048th term in this series. Now nth term, so we know what is a is equal to 2 and r is equal to 4. Now nth term of geometric progression is a and it will be in the denominator n, that is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. I have already mentioned this formula in the previous video. Okay, so how to find the nth term? Okay, now we know the total set of number. Okay, 2 4 nth term is going to be 2048. Now a into 2 into 4 to the power of n minus 1. So 1024 is equal to 4 to the power of n minus 1. So 4 to the power of 5 is equal to 4 to the power of n minus 1. So we know in the logarithmic abbreviation, we know one thing. Okay, when we have the bases same, okay, we can equate the powers. Okay, here also the same thing has been done. Okay, since we have the same base 4 and 4, we will be equating the powers. N minus 1 is equal to 5. Now the positive number comes to the other side, n plus 6 plus 1. Okay, sorry, 5 plus 1, that is going to be 6. Now n is equal to 6. Okay, now there is one more step here. GP is simple number, so we can find easily by direct multiplication up to the required number. Okay, we can do it very easily also. Now going back to the next problem. Okay, the distance traveled in meter by a ball dropped from a height. From a height, a ball has been dropped. Okay, that is 128 by 9, 32 by 3 and 8 comma 6. It goes on like this. How much distance will it travel before coming to rest? Okay, ball has been dropped. It is bouncing and bouncing. It is going to stop at one point. Okay, now till that point, what is the distance? That is what we are going to identify it here. So the total distance traveled by, so that is nothing but here the number of times has been multiplied. Okay, that is what here the problem is all about. So all the series have, now we don't know where does it end also. So what we do here is we have to sum it up all the infinite terms. Already I have taught you how to find the sum of infinite terms. So infinite terms is equal to a by 1 minus r. Okay, so we know what is a. 128 by 9 is r a and 1 minus r is going to be 3 by 4. Okay, so when we divide it by second term and the first term, we will be getting the answer as 3 by 4. Okay, so 1 minus 3 by 4, so we will be getting the total distance is equal to 513 by 9 meters. Okay, so this is one type of finding sum of n infinite terms. Okay, so have this formulas handy. Okay, since geometric progression is an important concept in solving a higher degree of competitive exams. Now the last problem, okay, that has to be remembered by you. Now if the first term of a GP is 20 and the common ratio is 4, find the fifth term. Okay, that is the question given here and also options are given. Okay, so what we will be doing here is, we know what is the first term. The first term of the geometric progression r is equal to 20, a is equal to 20 and r is equal to 4. Now a n is equal to fifth term. We are supposed to find the fifth term. We know a5 is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. So 20 into 4 to the power of 5 minus 1. So 20 into 4 to the power of 4 is going to be 256. When we multiply it, we will be getting the answer as 5120. So students, have one thing in your mind. Okay, like when it comes for geometric progression, you are supposed to find the nth term. These are the same model. Okay, in the same models only question will be arising. Either you are supposed to find the last term or the first term or the common ratio or the sum of known items in the sequence or the sum of infinite terms in the sequence. Okay, all this type of questions will be circulating it around. Okay, all these 6 types of questions are very important for you when it touches the competitive edge. Whenever a competitive exam or placement exams, you just have to remember, okay, what is geometry progression, how the series goes on, and what is the how to find the nth term and the sum of infinite and finite terms. Okay, so have this thing in your mind. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos and practice problems like this. Thank you.